Yo, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. I recently bought this 97 Chevy from Facebook Marketplace. It's in pretty good shape. I mean, I ain't complaining for 3 grand. I mean, yeah, the whole door handles, like, I mean, it's kind of fucked up, but shit, it runs. That's what I want. It's pretty good shape. I've been working on it for like 2 days already, just trying to take off the rust and stuff off the tailgate and stuff. But overall, it's a pretty good truck. It runs. That should be all I care. But yeah, I already ordered these mirrors. Don't fucking pay attention to that. But for 97, shit. Fucking dumbass camera. Need to get a better one. I mean, yeah, it's alright. It runs. Okay. But yeah, it needs a little bit of care, but that's about it. Today I'm gonna try to replace these tail lights. They're pretty old. I mean, not old, but they're just beat up, cracked. And then I have the rims. I mean the rims. The screws no more. I just got the new ones today. As you can see here, we got the new ones and the old ones, right and the left. But the old ones are pretty beat up. So I'm gonna try to spray paint them or something. They oversprayed a lot. They're scratched up and everything. They're cracked a little bit, yeah, right there. Oh yeah. So I finally got them installed. They're pretty easy. They're just 2 little bolts. I mean 2 little screws that go in between. Yeah. I don't even can see that. Dumbass camera. They're just like two little screws that go in there. It's pretty easy. Shout out to KITZ, my airline. I hooked it up. It's pretty easy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.